salmon. Crazy chef with a vibe. Today we're making braided bread salmon. Big vibe. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna give our knife a little vibe. So hit the knife with a little vibe. So knife's a vibe, you know it's a vibe. So knife with a vibe. Glove on. So this is our salmon, nice and fresh. Check for any bones. Found one. So that's gone. Flip them around. Then you're gonna take this off. So we take this off of there. Flip them around. We're gonna mark it. And what I'm gonna do for you is I'm gonna go Chinese on it. You just push. So that took some skills. So you take this, and I mean you can cook this. You can cook this and serve it with your dish, but we're gonna throw this out like that. Then you're gonna take your salmon and you're gonna cut it in 4 pieces. So you're gonna start there all the way down. One piece. Then you go right for the middle, all the way down, left. It's another piece, all the way down. You gotta probably hold that, and then you just go all the way down. And that's your 4 pieces. You go like that. Take this one, go like that. Take this one, go like that, and it pretty much goes the same all the way around. This one goes like that, this one goes like that, this one like that, that like that, that like that, and fold that like that. Now we go. So then we take our salmon and we put it right on this, because we're gonna cook it on this. Just make sure you fix your braids, get it all nice. So season with a lot of salt. So what I do is I put a lot of salt on there. Pepper. Then I hit it with some of my infused oil. Get it all over it. So in this bowl, what I have is some allspice, some onion powder, some garlic powder, a little bit of dried jerk seasoning, and you just want to go all the way over. So you want to get your seasoning on the crust of your salmon. So don't worry if it's not like all the way under there. What's gonna happen is you're gonna leave it a couple hours and it's gonna seep right through and you'll catch that vibe. So get your seasoning all the way over it and that's your vibe. So right now my grill is at a whopping 275. I'll just place this right in there like that, and I'm gonna cook him. What's gonna happen, it's gonna like smoke a little bit, it's gonna vibe a little bit. It's pretty much gonna bake and smoke at the same time. So we're gonna close it and just leave it for a while and let it vibe. Big vibe. Guess what? Hit that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button, because you know, braided big bread smoked salmon